Hi guys, this is Manchester Ship Canal Class Tank Engine 2004 here, and today I'm going to do a little modification. I'm going to show you how to put these snowploughs on fronts of engines. They're just paper snowploughs. I put them on my custom engines. I've put them on Mascot. Yeah, I've done it with Mascot, Ewan, Miles, Harry, and yeah, Lewis, and Endor. And yes, and now I'm just going to be doing it with Sarah. Yeah, I haven't done it with Sarah yet, so yeah, I'm going to give her a snowplough. So all I do first thing, right, so what you will need, so you will need an engine that you want to put your snowplough on, some paper, as you can see it's been cut, right, some blue tack, if you've got enough, and some scissors. Now, remember, if you're a child and you're watching this, so remember, young children, if you're watching this video, please be careful. Just be careful with these scissors, because they're sharp, and you're gonna have to get a grown-up helper to help you with these. So you must always ask. So remember, if you are a child and you're watching this video, please remember to always get a grown-up to help you with this, especially with the scissors, because they are very sharp. Okay, you just saw my eyes. Right, okay. So, without further ado, let's get started. Right, so step one. You get out your paper, right? Right, step two. You measure your paper against your engine. If it's too big or too small, then that doesn't matter, but I have to just do something. So it'll take time, so yeah. Right. So what you're going to do, oh, I've got to mention, you also need a pencil too for marking it. Right, so if you think that that's enough of it, then all you do is you mark it right there, like that, right? You mark it there. And what you want to do next thing is you want to cut it out. So this will take time, so yeah, I'm just going to start cutting it. I'll just time-lapse it. So yeah, see you there. Okay, I've done it. Right, so step 3, you measure it along the buffer beam. You just bend it over on the buffer beam to make it look like this. So it looks like this, right? Okay, and step 4, fold it. You get to the middle and then just fold it in half. And then it should look like this. Looks like you're reading a book. It's not a book, it's a snowball. Anyway, right, so now step 5. You get out your blue tack. And then you just, if it's too big, you can just rip it in pieces. Right, so once you've got your blue tack, you just rip it in half. If it's too big, you just rip it in half. Right, now step 4. Have I done step 4? Right, so first, right. So I've measured it. That's 1. I cut it. That's 2. I measured it again. That's 3. I pulled the blue tack apart. Yeah, so that's step 4. Well, still counting as step 4, you stick the glue. Sorry, you stick the. So you stick both of your two pieces of blue tack onto both edges of the snowplough. Both sides of the snowplough. Both ends, both sides, whatever they are. Right. Like this. Right, and now step 5. Finally, step 5, the best bit. Put your snowplough on the front of your engine. Just stick it on. Like that. Oh, no, not like that. Sorry, bit of a mistake. I must do it properly. Stick it on. Oh, no. Just a bit lower. Sorry about this, guys. Just a bit lower. And stick it on. Like that. And once you've done it, then you're done. Ta-da! Hey presto, an engine with a snowplough. What do you think of that, guys? So now we've got Sarah all done with her snowplough on the front. So yeah. Alright, so there we go. We have all our engines. Yeah, like, hey guys, it's me, Mascot the Mentum. Look at my snowplough. So yeah. So at first I had Mascot, and all the other ones, including Harry and Lewis. They were pains in the bum, but they were pretty easy. Yeah. So yeah, I did Mascot first, then Ewan, and then Miles, and then Harry, then Lewis, and then Endorf, and then finally Sarah. Yeah, and well, Miles was the most difficult one because his face is too further forward, and I had to just somehow extend his snowplough so that it could be accommodated. But yeah, it fits perfectly. He looks fine with his snowplough on the front. Although it's just fine. It's fine. So yeah, what do you think of my snowploughs on my engines? Do you like them? You do? Oh, that's great. Well then, if you want to start modifying, then start modifying them now. There's the Middleford Steam Railway train set thing over there. Welcome to the Middleford Steam Railway. Right. So yeah, and also guys, before I go, here's this Thomas tank engine Christmas card. There's Thomas with his Santa hat, troublesome truck full of presents, Christmas tree, and Harold the helicopter. Right, and inside. Right, sorry. Let's have a look at the back. Thomas. Inside it says peep peep, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Thomas and Friends. And yeah. So anyway, it's all done. So thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Yeah, smash that like button and leave a comment down below. And yeah, tell me if you would like to do it on your engines too as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.